Hi guys, welcome back to Ivy's Kitchen. It is October and in honor of Filipino American History Month, I wanted to make a Filipino dish called Lumpia, which is Philippines' version of an egg roll. If you have any Filipino friends, you probably have tried this. It's very popular to serve at parties and celebrations. So if you're interested in seeing how I do my version, keep on watching. Please subscribe and click on the bell. Please check out ivyskitchen.net for the recipe and ingredients. Alright you guys, so I have some pork in this bowl and I'm going to mix it in with some shiitake mushrooms. I'm also going to add some water chestnuts that I finely chopped or minced. And some green onions. Not going to add it all. It's up to your preference. And I'm going to season this with some garlic powder. It's about 1.5 teaspoons. Pepper, salt, and soy sauce. Now it's time to get down and dirty with your hands, so make sure your hands are clean because we're going to mix this all together. So everything is well combined. Oh, you know what? I forgot to add carrots. I'm going to add some carrots that I used a food processor to chop up. If you don't have a food processor, you can just go ahead and grate your carrot or just chop it up really small. It depends on your preference, what you like. So I'm going to go ahead and test a small piece just to make sure that it's seasoned properly. All right, let's taste it. I think I need to mix it up a little bit, but that's pretty good. All right, you guys, so the way to wrap this is I like to put my meat in a plastic bag. We're gonna use it as a piping bag. So just add your mixture to it. And seal it up like that, like a piping bag. And what you want to do is just cut the tip of your plastic bag just so the meat can come out. And now we are going to wrap. Make sure to keep a damp paper towel on your lumpia wrapper that you're not using so it will keep it nice and moist. And here is a trick that I'm going to show you that you can wrap a bunch at one time. So you want to just lay out your lumpia wrappers all in a row, just like so. And using your plastic piping bag, go ahead and squeeze out the filling. If you have any kids, this is a fun way to get them involved in the kitchen. I remember my mom made me roll lumpias every time she had a party, and I would roll one at a time, which was a pain. So I figured out this method and I thought this was brilliant. Okay, so now we are going to fold it and then we're going to roll it. Just like so. Add the egg to seal it. Bam! You got yourself a lumpia. And you're just going to repeat this for all of them. Fry the lumpia until the meat is cooked through and it is golden brown and crispy. Now it's time to finally taste this. I'm so excited, all that hard work. I like to dip my lumpia in vinegar mixed with garlic and Thai chilies. So let's go ahead and finally taste this. So good, guys. I like how the meat is juicy. The flavors set well with each other. And it's crunchy. These are so addicting. Anyways, thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like this video, and click on the bell so you're notified each time I make a new video. And I will see you guys in the next video. Bye. It's so good. Thank you guys for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe and click on the bell icon so you are notified each time I post a new video.